Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the event ID error code 6008 you're receiving in the event viewer, and it shows that the previous system shutdown was unexpected, and basically this event ID 6008 is one common error that appears in the event viewer. And most likely to see this event ID after your system shuts down automatically and unexpectedly. And this event ID 6008 can be caused by multiple reasons such as CPU over temperature, damaged power supply, unit, and certain security threats. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung settings, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Windows Update, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa Windows Update and Updates Available, so kailangan mo lang i-click tong download and install. So i-check mo lang kung anong dapat na i-install, i-download na updates, alright? So makita nyo dito na starting downloading niya. And then, after dito, so close lang natin, and another solutions na pwede natin gawin. So dito lang sa search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type yung device manager, and then click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa device managers, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung display adapters. Ito siya. Okay? So i-click mo lang tong arrow na yan para mag-expand. And the next step ay kailangan lang natin i-update yung kanyang drivers. So makita mo dito yung Intel UHD graphics. So kailangan natin yan i-update. So i-select mo lang siya, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung update driver. And then pop up tong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer. So select ka lang dito sa dalawa, and then itap mo lang tong search automatically, and then makikita mo na dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. Okay? So in hope na na-resolve yung problem, but if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang sa search menu ulit. And then, kailangan mo lang i-type yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then, dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na shfc /scan now. So, in all small letter na hat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And then makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So ang next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito lang sa start menu at i-click mo lang to restart. I-click mo lang yan. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix event ID error code 6008 after unexpected Windows shutdown in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.